Today I've decided to drive to Napier, so I'm on my way, and there's a scenic viewpoint I've just stopped at. I stopped here in 2017. It's another one of these. Oh my gosh, oh cool, wow, look at that. A bit of a panic situation here. Thought I was going to run out of petrol, but fortunately there's one of these self-service petrol stations, so I was running on fumes. Anyway, $2.50 per litre, so slightly more expensive, but only took 28.84 litres. At $72. Anyway, that'll teach me. Not much in the way of petrol stations around here. I'm at Bluff Hill, and this is in Napier, and I'm overlooking the harbour, so that's the hotel where we stayed in 2017. I'm walking along the coast in Napier now, and looking up to sea. It looks like this street should be pedestrianised, it's just that it's not working very well, is it? Action, right. I'm in Napier with some lads here who want to be film stars. So
Hello.
say
Hi.
hello. Say hello, Steve.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Steve. Hi.
I love
Hey,
you.
you're Steve.
Oh, no, I'm Isaac.
Steve. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. What do you think of Napier?
It's pretty cool.
pretty
pretty
good.
You
cool.
like it? Waiting for the next earthquake?
Yeah.
Oh,
We
yeah.
might die.
Yeah. Do you know when was the last one?
1931.
1931. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. And didn't it change all the bay or something out here? Or
Yeah.
something?
Yeah. All around with
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
So the water doesn't come over here and stuff.
My great nana was in that.
Oh, was she really?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
She
Yeah.
survived till 2016.
Oh, did she really? Oh, okay. Great. Okay, lads. Thanks very much. I'm in Hastings, believe it or not. Just been to do some shopping in New World, Hastings. I'm talking to the assistants in the shop, a couple of them. I'm from Hastings in England, and they didn't even know that there was a Hastings in England. How about that? Mind you, I'm not sure what's here. Landmark Square. People plus participation equals pride. So the significance of this is that Hastings went into something of a decline sort of in the 1980s, having been quite affluent in the 50s and 60s and 70s, and the mayor went to Santa Barbara, obviously in the United States, to see how other small towns and cities managed to pull themselves out of a recession. So here we are. It's just another little town. And it's raining again as well. Absolutely biblical. Look at this. Grief. It was all bright and sunny for most of the day, and then suddenly on my way back up to Taupo along Highway 2, look at it.